There's something mind-blowing. I want to explain you the difference between a traditional business and a direct selling business. Right? In a traditional business, in order for you to make money, earn money, you have to cash out first. After cashing out, that means investing on different things, investing on product, investing on research and development, so many different things, right? After investing money, if everything works fine, then there will be a cash in to that particular traditional business, to that company. And if something goes wrong with this cash out, this organization will bankrupt. So it is not safe, right? But in direct selling, you will not believe this, okay? I'll explain you in a broader way later, okay? In direct selling, cash in happens first. Money come in first. Then only there will be a cash out. What I explained might be so much confusing for you. So let me explain you in a better way with an example. Suppose a company called HP, this laptop company. You know about this company, right? This company, for this company to operate and earn an income, first they need to have laptops, right? So will you buy a laptop which was created 10 years back in 2000, I don't know, maybe in 2010, 2011, 2015? You'll not buy those old technology, right? You need the new technology, latest technology, right? So first they need to invest and spend a lot of money on research and development. A lot of money. So this is cash out. Money going out. Did they make any money by now? Nothing. Right? Then they have the technology now. After many engineers working on new technologies for these laptops, now they have the technology with them. Now they need to do production. Again, a huge chunk of cash out. Still, they didn't make any money, right? Next, now they have laptops. Nobody knows about those laptops. They need to create awareness throughout the world. So for that, they have to do ads and marketing. A lot of money again going out, cash out. Did they make any money? Not yet. After that, now people are aware of the laptop, new laptop, latest laptops. But in order for them to buy those laptops, this company should operate shops. Again, cash out. Still no income yet. In those shops, there must be employees. Again, cash out. Still not yet make any money, right? Not only that, have to pay utilities for these shops. More cash out. Right? Not only that, should transport laptops to those shops. I can talk so many other factors, right? So these are the main factors, right? So after doing R&D, production, ads and marketing, and paying money for shops, paying money for employees, utilities, and spending money on transportation. After doing all these things, all these things are cash out, right? After doing this much of cash out, if there is no cash in, no proper cash in to this HP company, what is going to happen? They are going to bankrupt. Next month, they don't have enough money to do R&D. They don't have enough money to do production. They don't have enough money to do advertisement and marketing. No money for shops and employees. No money for utilities. No money for transport, right? This HP company will bankrupt. So there's a huge chance for a company to bankrupt, right? So that's why they are trying to stay on the top and not make any mistake. Once they make one mistake, this company can directly bankrupt. Nokia faced the same situation long back. They were a little late to adapt with new technology through their R&D. And what happened? People switched from Nokia to Samsung and other mobile phones. So Nokia lost the market, right? So same thing can happen to HP. So this traditional business is in a huge risk. Now I'm going to be replacing HP with a direct selling company. Try to identify, okay? What is there? So I'm going to erase this line also because these things are not there in direct selling. You will also understand end of this explanation. Okay. So in direct selling, there is no research and development. You might be thinking then how can they, get a lot of products and services to the market, right? There's no research and development. What these people do, they go and partner with other product companies. They're going to just partner with other product companies. So who do research and development? These people do. If these people bankrupt for some reason, they will cancel the partnership and they will go and make a partnership with another product company, product manufacturer. Okay. So these direct selling companies are not doing R&D. So they are safe. Are they doing production? No. These people are doing production. If something goes wrong, they will bankrupt. If they bankrupt, these direct selling companies will go and make partnership with other product manufacturers. Simple, right? Are they doing advertisements and marketing? No, they are not. Suppose this is a watch company. Okay? And there's an independent distributor in a direct selling company. And this distributor go and promote product or a service or the business opportunity. Three of these can be promoted, okay? Either products or the services or maybe the business opportunity to another customer. He gets excited. And let's say he's recommending a watch. Okay? So this guy decides to buy a watch and become a part of this direct selling company, right? To grow his business. And he send money to this direct selling company. And they keep the profit, and for that product, they'll be sending the money to this watch company. This watch company will be directly delivering this product to this customer. Okay? And then this person, this is the person who referred that watch to this guy, right? So once this product is delivered to the customer, direct selling company will give him a commission. Okay. Because of you only, we were able to sell this watch. Here is some money for you. Through a compensation plan, they'll be paying commissions for that recommendation. Right? So did you see here, the cash in to the company happened first. Money came to the company first from this customer, right? Then only, after money coming in, then some amount paid to this product manufacturer, watch company. Cash out later, right? After that only, cash out later again, paying the commission also to this person who recommend the product also later. So cash in will happen first, cash out will happen then, right? So there is no advertising and marketing also here because it is happening with the word of mouth. A person recommending a product or a service to somebody else, right? No shops. Why 100% online? No employees. Why? Because there are no shops. Utilities paid. Why? Because there are no shops. No transportation cost. You know why no transportation cost? Because customer, when he's buying the watch, he's paying for transportation also. Customer is paying the transportation cost also. Right? So, do you understand how safe it is to become a part of a direct selling company? Guys, let me tell you. 100 years from now, there will be a lot of direct selling companies which are right now in this planet. Those companies will be there for 100 years, 200 years, 500 years, 1000 years. But after 100 years, there might be no HP, there might be no Dell, there might be no Samsung, there might be no Apple, there might be no Facebook. But guys, understand how safe are these direct selling companies? How safe is this direct selling concept compared to traditional businesses? If you want to associate closely with me to enhance your knowledge about network marketing, I suggest you to go for one of these 4 packages. 4 different memberships I am offering through YouTube. First package, my association membership, which is $1 per month, small amount. And secondly, outer circle membership, which is $1.6 per month. It's also a small amount. And thirdly, inner circle membership, which is $2.5 per month. And at last, I have a network marketing course where you learn everything about network marketing in just $99 one-time payment course. So you can choose any of these 4 memberships, and I suggest you to take the third membership, which is inner circle membership, where you will have once a week a Zoom meeting with me. And if you want to enhance your knowledge about this network marketing industry, I suggest you to take the 4th package, 4th membership, which is Pro Network Marketer course. So how to get this membership? Under every video, you'll be seeing a join button. Press on that join button and then you can take that membership. And if you have any doubts to clarify about these memberships, feel free to contact my number. So contact me through WhatsApp. Here is my number.